All right, guys, real quick, I wanted to make a fairly quick video on how to install a Facebook pixel onto your landing page. All right, so I'm going to try to make this as painless as possible. Um, when you're logged in to business.facebook.com, on the left hand side, you want to go under find data sources, and you're going to want to go under uh, pixels or data sets. So you can see I have a number of pixels here or data sets, but you're not going to have any when you first start. So what you're going to have to do is hit the add button, and then you're going to just name your pixel. Do test 1, 2, 3, hit create. There we go. All right, so once we had the pixel, I hit open in Events Manager, and it brought me to this page. So you're going to click on the pixel you just made, and you're going to go set up MetaPixel, and then you want to install the code manually. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. So click that button, and then and it'll ask you to copy the code, paste the code into the website. All right, hit continue, and then it'll bring you to this page. So this is going to be the setup events or events manager. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this a little different way, but you're going to set up your website here. Let me show you how I'm going to do this because I already have the pixel. I'm already using this pixel on a different landing page. All right, and we're going to install it on this landing page. So if you look up here on the right, it says MetaPixel Helper. Right now, there's no pixel installed on this page. If there was, it would be lit up green. Sorry, a landing page that I know already has this pixel. It's right here. I'm going to copy that. And we're going to log in, or I'm going to bring you to the back end of this landing page that we're going to install the pixel on. Put the cursor up in the upper left, hit Control V. You're going to go ahead and paste your MetaPixel code there, and then hit Save Changes. Now, when we look at the front end, boom, you can see it's lit up green, and we have the pixel installed in the MetaPixel Helper. Chrome extension is picking that up. So if you don't have that Chrome extension, go ahead and get that, install it in your Chrome browser, and that's super helpful. So then what we have to do is I'm going to copy this URL, and we want to go over to your events manager, but I'm not going to do it here because this is through a new pixel, and that's not the one I don't have a new pixel. This is the one that's used. It's Success with Derek. So then what we have to do is go under settings, and we're going to go set up events right here, this button, open event setup tool. All right, so we're going to paste in this website that we just put the pixel in, hit open website, and it's telling you there's a pop-up. So we'll click on the pop-up button here because I'm using Safari in this one. And every single time it makes me do this twice. I don't know why. We'll hit that button. All right, so now it's asking you meta event tool. Let's see here. We want to track URL. URL equals, this is going to be a view content because they didn't quite put their information in, so it's not a lead yet. Just view content, hit confirm. That's it. That's all you got to do. All right, so that's the first page. All right, so we have view content on our landing page. So then what we're going to do, that's all set up. Then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our bridge page, which is going to be this page. I think I'm going to change the video, so don't worry about that. But as you can see, it says successwithderek.com/welcome, and you can see there's no pixel installed on this page. So we're going to install the same pixel that we just did. All right, we're going to go hit edit page, the button on the right-hand side, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hit settings in the upper left, scroll down here, hit edit code. All right, we're going to paste it right in there. We're going to hit save, and we're going to hit save again on the upper right. So then when you log out of there and you view the page from the front, you can see our pixels installed. So now, again, we got to take the URL and tell Facebook what event this is when people come to this page. So this is after they've entered their information and they've landed on the bridge page. They are considered a lead. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to our events manager, our setup tool here. We did that. There we go. So open website, bring us to the page again. All right, so it's asking us, what do we want to call this event? Track URL, select an event, and this one's going to be a lead because they just gave us their information. We're going to click confirm. So this one says lead. Don't worry about these. That's if like you have like an e-com store or something like that. Choose a value on the page, so we're not going to be tracking that. Just hit confirm. All right, this lead event is live and being tracked on your website. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Hit finish. All right, cool. So that's that. So now if we go back to our bridge page, the pixel's installed. We told Facebook that this is a lead. Close out of that. All right, so now everything's installed. I'll go ahead and refresh this page. You can see the pixel's installed. And when you go back to your ads manager or our business.facebook.com under data sources, this will start showing you some data as people come to your page. Monitor the activity. And you can see here we got some page views down here. And you can see how many leads I've had in the past 28 days, right? That's not a whole lot. People that do a lot of, like Facebook ads, or if they have just a significant amount of traffic, this number will be way higher. All right, I'm not quite there yet. But anyway, so that's down under settings, and you just click on Open Event Setup Tool. So there you have it. That is your Facebook Pixel installation. I hope this helps. I will see you in the next video.